John Morris in the place to be. 2 pints of Sam Adams, but I'm working on 3. Cause I'm a pop chick of Prados.
One man is in the hospital with a broken back.
You say price of my love's not a price. Now you're making me mad. Remember, despite our restraint, it's much harder when it's on your gone. Send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love. Da 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 da. Everybody. Da 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 da. Here comes the general.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Here comes the general.
the moment you've been waiting for.
Here comes the general.
The pride of Mount Vernon.
Here comes the
George Washington.
You're outgunned, outmanned, outnumbered, outplanned. You gotta make an all.
Hey, 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 hey.
And boom, trying to catch your eye from the side of the barroom. Everybody's dancing in the band's top volume, flying to the rhythm as we wine and dine. So into you, I am so into.
If it takes fighting a war for us to meet, then we'll have.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Out was a scoundrel, orphan, son of a harlot and a Scotsman, dropped in the middle of a forgotten spot in the Caribbean.